Oh, it'd be lovely to live in miss the trees like that, with the birds whistling. Oh, it'd be lovely. I'd love it. Away from everybody. Just have yourself and no one else. Just it's lovely. Best feeling you can have. It's all nature. Nice. Oh. I love hearing the birds. It's so peaceful and relaxing. There's a sheep's path going up there, look. Little sheep's path. We're not going to follow it because it could lead for miles. For miles and miles. Old tree. Ooh. I'm going to start heading back now. So I can feel. I've got a feeling it's going to rain. I don't know if you can tell, but. On my next video, I'll upload a video of the fish. I don't know how people can live in cities and villages and stuff. When you can be nice to live on a farm and just have all the mountains to yourself. It'll be lovely. Oh, look what's up there. Now the sheep's path going up there. There's an old birch tree there. Oh. Another path there with sheep's path for there. Another sheep's path. Got a nice birch tree there. Lovely. It don't look like a birch tree, but it is a birch tree. You can tell by the leaves, because the birch tree have usually got white bark on it, but you can tell it's a birch tree by looking at the leaves. If it's not a birch tree, please let me know in the comments what tree it is. Show you a nice view now. Over there, see the mountains. Mountain over there. Trees. Whew. Another birch tree again. So you can tell by the leaves if it's a birch tree or not. See a nice mountain over there. Well, I don't know what they're doing by here, but man trying to ruin wildlife again, by the looks of it. Why didn't they just leave things alone? You know? I don't know if you recognise this tree, but it's been on my other videos a few times. Lovely tree. Whew. I love to make an hole in our tree and just be able to just chill out inside it. It's that big, it'll be like a place where you can just chill out. Oh, look how tall our birch tree is. Flip heck. Oh, he's huge. That's a strange birch, that is. Oh, the size of it. It's huge. Look at that tree there. Go on. Don't know if you can hear the birds, but I can. Lovely. A lovely sound. I could just sit in there amongst the trees all day and just listen to the birds. So relaxing. It's good for your happiness as well. I mean, whenever you feel down, please try going out listening to the birds. It's the best thing you can have. Do you see that little bird there then? It's lovely. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.